Welcome to the practical demonstration part of this course. Now, hopefully you're going to get loads of information from this section. This section really complements the theory. This is where I teach you how to apply that theory in practice. And we'll also look at some of the software tools that are on the market, focusing mainly for now on Jira. Jira because it's one of the most widely adopted and it's got all the functionality that you need to make the most of Scrum. So we're going to go through Jira from start to finish. We're going to go and have a look at how to actually set up your account, how to invite your team members, and how to do a backlog review and more. There's information in this section which is applicable to the certifications, and we're going to have a go at the Scrum events through using the Jira software. So this section will give you context to the theory and make it a bit more interesting, and you should be able to pick up the theory a little bit better when you see it actually being applied. Now, in order to do the practical demonstration like this, I've had to come up with a hypothetical product. And the product I've chosen is a mobile phone app, an app that you could download from the Android or the Apple store. My idea is a mobile phone FM/AM radio receiver. So you could download the app and listen to your favorite radio station on your phone. The way I've approached this is we're going to have a look at building the minimal viable product first, something that we can get out to the market as quickly as possible, and that will need to have the basic functionality. Then we're going to have a look at ways to enhance the product after it's been released. So the enhancements would be things like turning that mobile phone receiver into something that can not only play the radio but record the radio as well, and something that if you set your alarm in the morning, it would wake you up with your favorite radio station rather than a standard chime or bell. So hopefully you'll find this really informative, hopefully you'll learn a load from it, and hopefully you won't be intimidated by the Jira software or similar tools that we're going to look at when you come across them at work. And maybe you'll even be able to show some of your colleagues at work some of the tips and tricks that you've learned from my course. And if you haven't already set it up, then you could go back to your work organization and your colleagues and show them it and set it up for them, and then show them how to use Jira and really impress them. Mainly though, this section is about taking the theory and applying it in practice, which is certainly going to help you consolidate your knowledge around the theory.